You know, Catzz blocked. I'm going uphill. Got off early on Friday. It is Easter weekend. Woo! Man, that was a hassle. Going uphill. Woo! Pretty windy right now too. Okay, now it's more flat. I can go faster. Making sure there's no cars. Switch hands. Tighten out my fanny pack so it's a little tighter. Okay, kind of rough here. Nah, that's smooth. Woo, beautiful day. And let's see, let's go down here. Woo! Oh, pretty nice here. There's a down slope. Start slowing down. There's a downward slope coming ahead. Slowing down. Okay, now it's slow down. Speed bump. Let's see what else we got. Another downward slope. That's turns. Woo! Now towards the right side, it's shaved off, so I can't really go as fast. So I'm doing some S turns to slow down. Car coming. Woo! That's turn. Woo! Bending down as low as possible. And there's a car behind me. Waiting for the car to go first. I'm not sure if he or she's going first. Hey man, how are you? I'm going uphill. Oh, it's Big Mama behind me. And now she's parked. Pull over. There's a car right behind me. Let him go first. Woo, that was fun. All right. Wasn't too bad. Passed by some kids earlier. They were surprised to see someone skating, I guess, while recording themselves. Not many people do that here. What's up, guys? I'm at another parking lot. Big Mama dropped me off here. Never skated here before. I'm just checking out the environment. I'm actually doing this for fitness purpose because I haven't skated yesterday. Some personal issues came up. I had to stop by the hospital last night. So I really didn't get a chance to skate. I mean, even last week when I was at New York, I skated just a little bit. And then last Thursday it was so windy, I couldn't even skate. It was so cold too. But yeah, this is like my typical cardio workout. Yeah, normally my cardio workout is on Thursday. But since I got off work early today, I figured I'll do some cardio today. Woo! It's okay, this parking lot. It's kind of rough. It's actually got a football field right behind me, or towards the right of me. There's a football field, and I see a car coming. See a car turning. Let me wait till the car goes by first. All right, the car just passed by me. Go Go down here. This is a slight downhill. Actually, I should make a U-turn. Woo! All right, do one more lap, and then I'll probably find another location. Good day today. Yeah, I finished my last conference call earlier at 3 p.m., which was kind of late to have a meeting on Friday. It's so windy right now too, so it's probably not even that good. Woo. Yeah, we're heading to New York City tomorrow one more time. We were there last Sunday. I'll stop out there tomorrow with Big Mama, Bun, and Not Dowdy. Woo, good workout. Woo, wee. Turn. Woo. There are a couple of rocks here and there, nothing too big. Do one more lap, and then I'll look for another spot. It's a slight uphill. Yeah, earlier it was so windy when I was going downhill. My hat almost flew off. Woo! There are 3 vertical long cracks. Woo! Go back. No cars. Woo! It's always easier whenever the car is parked on the flat area. You can't get in, not enough space. When it's on a slope, it's kind of more difficult to get back into your car, especially when you're trying to open the door and get in at the same time while holding a camera. You know, if possible, I've learned to park our car at a flat area as opposed to a downward slope. If we're going at an uphill slope, it's probably easier. But when it's downhill, you know, momentum will push me down further. It will require more energy for me to stop right towards my car and open the car door. Catzz Skates Family, it's another windy day. It's so windy, I purposely placed my camera inside so it filmed the entire Catzz Skates Family. Buns on your left hand side. Bun, hi. You want to say hi?
I did. Hi.
You have any questions for our fans?
Oh yeah, I have a question. Would you rather climb trees with skates or would you rather climb mountains with skates? Yeah.
I don't think anyone wants to do that.
But the tree went the other way around.
Okay.
No one wants to do that.
Okay, let me cut that out. Not Dowdy, you have any questions for our fans? Anything?
No.
Are you sure?
Oh, stay hydrated.
At least say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
Big Mama, do you have any questions for the viewers?
What do you like to eat on Friday nights?
Big Mama wants to know, what do you prefer to eat on a Friday night?
Morning.
Friday nights.
Whatever. Okay. Not
Okay.
Not morning.
All right, guys, back to me. I'll make the best out of it. Cardio night. I guess it's not nighttime yet. It's still like 5 or 6 p.m. So I guess it is evening time. Now, this parking lot may look familiar to some of you because I actually filmed my first skates review video on my K2 VO2 S in this parking lot. And now I have like at least 60 plus skating hours. Woo! Wow, my head flew off. That's how windy it is. Wow, so windy. The hat flew off. All right, downward slope. Woo! Change my position. Oh, so windy. Can't even talk right now. And the wind got caught inside my mouth. Vocal is not as clear right now. Sorry about that. Kind of pushing me back too. I can't skate as fast. Yeah, it's going against me. It's not helping me. The only fucked up part is this part. So it looks like black top, but it's all cracked up. up, so that's the only part that's not skatable. Other than that, parking lot is pretty smooth. I think right here is kind of rocky, right? A lot of the dirt. Okay, right here is not as smooth. It also smells. Holy shit. It smells like ass right now. Let me go back this way. Yeah. Smells like someone's asshole right now. I can't take that. Woo! Yeah, there's a lot of businesses around here. I think most people are off by now. Some employees probably got off today too, right? Because it's Easter. Or at least they got off early. Some probably took PTO days or something. Let's go down here. Woo! Relax. Downward slope. So I'm purposely doing S turns. Shifting my body weights around so I'm not picking up too much speed. I was gonna go down, but the blacktop looks kind of fucked up here. Let me try going down. Oh, there's a car coming. Never mind. I see a car pulling in. Woo! Amazing view right here. 1301. That is the building name or building address. 1301. A lot of empty parking lots here. Now, last time when I was here, it was snowing. There were a lot of salt on the ground. A lot of places were not skiable. I know it's so damn cold that day. But yeah, that was the last time I was here. Let's go uphill. Good cardio workout. Sometimes the best way to keep in shape with little to no time is to go uphill skating. Because that requires a lot of energy. I guess depending on how big your wheels are too. The bigger the wheels you're on, the harder it is for you to go uphill actually. Woo! The wind just picked back up again. Go in here. It's just me doing cardio. Everyone's getting hungry. So this might be the last location for me, at least for Friday. And then I'll reserve my energy for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day in New York City, so I have to save a lot of energy for walking. I might do some skating. It really depends on time. But yeah, I love this area. Wow. Oh. Sometimes I'll end up repeating the same words because I'm not sure if the words came out clear or not. The wind interfered with my vocal, and so that's actually the reason why you will hear me sometimes repeat the same words, even though I had probably said a couple of times already. It's just for me when I'm talking, especially when it's windy, really hard for me to hear the sound of my voice. Like right now it's okay, it's not that windy. Certain moments the wind will pick back up again. This way, S turn, downhill. Ooh, pretty steep here. Holy shit. Woo! Keep my legs lower. Prevent from falling down. Yeah, that was the lowest I've skated going downhill. Holy shit, that was fun. Nerve-wracking, but fun at the same time. Almost shit my pants for a second. That wasn't too bad. Sometimes I would exaggerate saying I would shit my pants. That wasn't too bad actually. Because I have experience now going downhill. It's not as scary. Keep your body lower. The lower it is, the more stable your body gets too, especially going downhill. And I was already doing the S turns. Let's go back uphill. Wow. I'm not sure if I have any more energy to skate anymore. This is tough, man. Going uphill with the wind going against my direction. Holy shit. I feel like this year, my quads are probably the strongest now for this year. I've been using a lot of muscles. I've also been doing more squats kind of workout, kettlebell workout to improve my core. So this year my quads muscles probably grew the most, strongest, and muscle size is the biggest. Normally I work on my chest or my arms, but I felt like ever since I picked up rollerblading, it's like leg days almost every day. You know, if I'm skating or do some kind of kettlebells workout, it involves some kind of legs or some part of my core muscles. Can barely even talk right now. Wow. I was not expecting that steep downhill earlier, man. Caught me off guard by surprise. Luckily, there were still a lot of spaces, and even in front of me. You know, this is not like it's one of those like really steep downhill with a T-shaped dead end. Worst come to worst, there's another turn I'm able to make too. The scariest is when you're going steep downhill and it becomes a dead end. And then you have an option to make a left or a right, but it's a really sharp turn. And also, another scary thing is when you're skating near a lot of cars and people. You know, that's something that I'm actually trying to get used to. I'm skating near people in some traffic, but some areas in New York, the traffic is too crazy for me. So I felt like at my current state, I'm not really ready for those kind of traffic area. So I'm still practicing with like low to medium traffic. Wow. That's a good workout.
Congratulations.
Thank you, bud. Okay, guys, I think that's it for me. I had my good cardio workout. I'm getting ready to eat some food. It is Friday, which means it's cheat day. I'm able to eat wherever the fuck I feel like eating. That's what a cheat day means. I have to reserve my energy for tomorrow's New York trip. We're heading back to New York City again. Oh, last time I spent actually $60 on parking because New York apparently charge you 18% on parking taxes. So with the $50 on top of the 18% is more like $58 total. And then it costs another $25 for the tow when we went back to Philly. So the whole trip cost me about, let me do the math here, $75 or so, round trip. I'm not even including my gas or like food. The food itself, we spent like over $100 on food. Like basic snacks, you know, like Olive Guys, pizzas. No, last time I don't think we went to Donut Plant. We went there too late. But tomorrow we are planning to stop by Donut Plant as one of the tourist spots. There's actually a couple of locations we like to visit as well too. Alright guys, happy rollerblading. I'll talk to you guys next time.
Hi.
Catzz Skates Family, we're out, right?
Yeah.
Z.
A.
T.
Z.
Z.
Catzz.
Cass.